Hi everyone. Now we are going to look into the execution of the automation script for the web page developed using Selenium. Before getting into the execution, on screen you can see the list of scenarios that we have developed for the automation script. It starts with the launch of the application. It verifies the invalid credentials, then goes with the valid credentials and search and modify the agent details. After that, it verifies the new agent profile screen only for the mandatory fields. After that, it enables the document, adds the agent and then enable the document. Once it is done, it goes with upload document only with the verify mandatory fields and then upload and then close it. Okay, so let's start with the execution of the script. Let's select the execute option, and in this we can see the all different types of browsers has been added. So right now let's go ahead with the Chrome browser. Okay, now you can see the window. The script has been started. It's waiting for the Windows authentication to be completed. So as you can see, the cursor is blinking, so the details will be entered automatically by the script. Once entering the details, it automatically taps on the login button and it waits for the page to be loaded. For the subsequent user credentials, you can see that the invalid credentials has been done and now the valid credentials has been entered and we got into the application. As discussed, we are into the fourth one. It searches for user and agent details and it modifies it. You can see the Carl Hooper agent details has been entered and it has been selected. So before loading, it might take some time due to let's wait for more couple of seconds. So you can see this is the actual time taken by the application in order to load the agent details. You can see that the details has been loaded. The script automatically selects the mandatory fields and enters the values. You can see these are the fields as being validated. Values has been modified and saved. You can see the message, the data has saved successfully. Once it is done, it goes to the bottom other info. It selects the checkbox transfer agent and it deselects it again and it selects the document option. And you can see the mandatory fields being entered in the document section. These are the mandatory 4 fields. So the script is going to update it automatically. You can see the values has been selected using in the drop down, and also we can see that the attachment will be selected now. Once the document is selected and it will be uploaded, you can see the data has been saved and here ends with the script. So So getting into the detail, we can see that all 1 to 8 scenarios has been successfully executed. Now let's move to the results section. In the results folder, we can see a new folder being added like CSS, and under this all the results will be displayed. So let's open the common result file. This is the result file that we can say, and in this you can see that there's the total steps being executed, total list of scenarios executed, and the total steps included in each and every scenario, and the total number of pass and the total number of failed steps. So in this, let's get into the detailed report for the failed one. You can see for the fail, like here the expected it should be Hopper, but we mandatory we entered them as Carl Hopper, so that's the reason it got failed. So this is just to show how the scenario goes on for the failed test cases, and in this we can see the screenshot also. We can see the screenshot for even the past test cases too. So here's a complete list of test report that will be generated after the execution of the script. We can also see the total time of total execution time and the operating system it has been executed, and what is the browser, and what is the execution start time, and what is the execution end time, and also the execution date. Thank you.